Now, why is our weight distribution so important as we're getting to our feet? As we talked about in the beginner program, once you're catching a whitewash wave, you're actually nice and flat. So you're popping up in more of a stationary or straighter position. You do want to be slightly forwards, front shoulder at front knee, but it's a very consistent pop-up for that nice flat wave. As we start to go into these green face wave or open face waves, we have a variety of surfaces that we're actually popping up in. So we need to understand, like in the other video in regards to the speed and timing, are we on a fat rolling wave, maybe a higher tide or a fuller wave, or are we in a hollow fast wave? This will help determine where our weight distribution sits. So if I am in a fat rolling wave, I actually want to keep my weight forwards as I'm popping up to help encourage the board to go down the face of the wave. But if I'm on a hollower, faster braking wave, then I want to make sure that my weight is just that little bit further back, because the board is actually going to drop down very, very quickly, and I need to make sure that I get to my feet as my board takes a more vertical drop. So as we're popping up, either the board is dropping down nice and slowly and I want to encourage the board to drop down the face of the wave, or I'm in a quick pitching, fast hollow wave and I actually want to stall the board a little bit to allow myself to get my feet through in time for the surface of the wave. So I'm just going to show you the two examples of these pop-ups. A more forwards pop-up or a faster pop-up is having your weight forwards, and as you do your push-up, you're actually going to keep your weight more over your shoulders to help encourage the nose of the board to come through and accelerate with the face of the wave. And then as your feet come through, you're going to stay nice and forwards and encourage the board to go down the face of the wave. So paddle, paddle, push up, weight forwards. Now, if I'm in a hollow or faster braking wave, I want to do more of a slightly stalled pop-up, keeping my weight that little bit further back so that I can get to my feet quicker and allow the board to accelerate with the speed of the wave. So I'll show you that one again. Paddle, 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 keeping that weight a little bit further back and getting to our feet. And you can see that I've opened up my chest and I'm allowing that board to drop down the face of the wave. So weight distribution as we're getting to our feet can really help us either accelerate to encourage the board to go with the wave, or to stall and allow ourselves that little bit more time to actually get our feet through as that wave rolls in quite fast.